Unit 5, Toys and Games. Part 1. Listen to the dialogue and repeat.
Have you got a ball?
Yes, I have got a ball.
What color is it?
It is red.
Part 2. Listen and repeat.
Kite, ball, playing cards, chess, computer games, blocks, doll, teddy bear.
Part 3. Listen and complete the dialogue.
Have you got toys?
Yes, I have got teddy bears, blocks, and a doll.
How many teddy bears are there?
2 teddy bears.
How many blocks are there?
3 blocks.
Have you got a kite?
Yes, I have.
What color is it?
It is purple.
Part 8. Listen and tick.
1. There are 3 blue dolls. 2. There are 4 yellow kites. 3. There are 10 red balls.
Part 10. Listen and colour.
There are 4 yellow kites. There are 3 red balls. There are 5 brown teddy bears. There are 6 blue blocks.
Part 11. Listen and sing the song.
Have you got a kite? Have you got a